In this tutorial, we continue working on this view pictures interface. And so what we want to do now is, notice right now the text is not clickable. The picture is, but the text is not. So let's make it so the user can click on the text too and have it put that file name in the pull down list. So to do this, we're going to kind of do the same thing we just did with the image button. We're going to convert this text here, where we just, right now we're just saying grab the file name and stick underneath the picture. Well, now we're going to make this into something called a link button. And to do this again, for the VB code, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put one link button out here, and then we can go and double click on it to get our VB code added. So here's my link button. I'll double click on it, and then over here it puts in this select picture 2, I'm sorry. Let's see what we call it over here. I just want to make sure we call it select picture 2. Yeah, we call it, so it's ID is command select picture 2, and on click we say select picture 2. Then over here in our VB code, this handles the select picture 2 stuff, and what we'll do is we're just going to copy all this code. It's the exact same code from up here. We'll copy and paste it inside here. And then over here, right now this just puts one link button on the page. So what we want to do is take this and copy it and put it up here inside our template and then replace a couple things. So we still want to have this I'm sorry. So we still have our link button, but now rather than saying link button, we want to replace that with this piece of code. And this one will actually put the file name in here, but this file name will now become a link that acts like a button. And then the other thing we want to do is add a command argument, and that we also want to make, I'm just going to actually copy this code right here. It's the same thing. We want to grab the file name and put that in as our command argument. So when this gets passed over again to the VB code, it'll say here's the file name that we want, and then the VB code will take that file name and add that to this the pull down list. Make the selected item on the pull down list. So we've saved it all. Let's try it out. So we'll reload this, and you notice we'll have both the regular file name. So let's check right now. It says car3. And you notice we've got the regular file name because we didn't take the old one out, but we've got the link here. So we can click on this, and if we come here and look, now it's set it to accessories. So let's just go finish up and get rid of this, where this is outside the link button. This we're just doing the file name. And then let's also set this one here, set its visibility to false. And then let's also make these guys join a class where we can get rid of the underline. And I'm going to bring this down here to this line. And then we can say CSS class equals picture link. And up at the top here, I'm going to add some code in to make that text, make it so it's not blue. Let's see, so that's a class, so it's dot picture link. Did I make that? Okay, big L. Okay, so here's my picture link class, my selector. Then we'll say text decoration should be none, and color, let's leave it black. Oh, and of course I forgot to put this, and I keep doing this, got to put in the style section. So here's my style tag, type equals text/CSS. Okay. Okay, so let's save this. And all I'm trying to do is make those links look like they're not links. I don't want the user to think it's a link. Then we view photos. And then if we say clothing, so you notice now it doesn't blue. It's not blue. It's not underlined, but I can still click on it, and it sets this to clothing.jpg. Okay, so this one's looking pretty good. We'll come back in the next one, and the only thing we'll do here is add some text and close buttons to these guys. So again, give the user some help on what to do here.